Welcome to one and only RJ Andy.
Dr. Lay Magsiga.
Yeah. What is your message to your fan base pala, followers?
Siguro for me, I would like to say thank you sa kanila for always trusting me, Ems.
Yes.
And believing in me na, you know, that I can always help. Yun naman din yung, for me, even if it doesn't involve money, as long as I can extend my hand, kaya naman natin i-work things out. You know?
Really
To all of the listeners na mga followers ko na din, papasalamat lang talaga kasi kahit naman na hindi ka naka-ere, alam mo yung suporta andun pa rin. Kasi sila naman talaga ang rason kung bakit tayo talagang afloated pa rin. Kumbaga may mga tao talagang pure yung intention, yung tutulungan ka pa rin. Ako naman ay gusto ko ding ipaalala sa ating lahat na at the end of the day, you only have yourself as well. This is based on the experience that I have. Kumbaga, okay, marami tayong friends, but they also have their own struggles.
Exactly.
Know that you only have yourself and that you need to protect yourself, especially your mental health.